welcome to Vlogmas day 9. It is a late start to the vlog today. It is about 6:35. I messed up big time. So remember yesterday I mentioned that I have this window where I need to get everything kind of cleaned up and situated. Well, here's the thing. We have family who are coming in out of town to visit for like the next 2 weeks or so. They may be staying here, they may be staying at another relative's house, but I wrote down that they would be here on Wednesday. They will be here tomorrow morning, and if you can see behind me, this whole mess, honestly was gonna do like a really intricate different camera angles, clean with me. That was like my plan today, but things didn't really go according to plan. So today we will be cleaning together, but more vlog style. I thought it would be a little bit easier this way, and it's, you know, honestly what we're doing for probably the rest of the evening is just cleaning up. If you guys think this is pretty bad, because this room is pretty bad, you guys should you should see Darren's room, because Darren's room, unfortunately, his room has somehow turned into like a storage room, and it is a disaster. We are now at Target. We actually went to CVS before this, and they did not have my eye drops. They had the makeup wipes that I needed, but I need the eye drops badly. No, are you serious? Why? No, here it is. Ooh, yes. This is like my ride or die. If I don't use this, my eyes turn red, with or without makeup on. Simple makeup remover wipes. Holy grail. Ended up putting on a full face of makeup, and it's amazing sometimes how makeup can just, you know, just make you feel put together, and it just really changes up your whole mood. I ended up making myself a cup of coffee. Yesterday, the room did not look like this. It was very put together, minus my vanity area. We are going to be going step by step through the room, cleaning each different station. We are first going to start with the bed, because we need to wash the sheets, air out the pillows. We basically have our piles here of the bed sheets, fitted sheets, and a couple of our blankets, comforter, and also our pillows that we need to air out. Right now the washing machine is being occupied, so we're gonna have to just wait a second, move on to something else. So I think we're actually gonna move over to the desk area. I can't believe I forgot to plug in the Christmas tree. Are about to put all of the bed sheets, or separate the bed sheets, put them in the washing machine, and then we're gonna work on our vanity table, which is a huge disaster. This is such an old product. I don't even know how long I've had this, but it's something that I just couldn't part ways with. It's a Juicy Couture So Gleamy Hair Shine Spray. I think this is probably from like the early 2000s. It's that old, and it still smells so good. I use it sparingly because they no longer make this. You guys can see I have still a few Juicy Couture scents up there that, you know, I just couldn't part ways with. As beautiful as it is, this is probably the messiest Christmas tree I've ever had, because all of the flocking just gets all over the place. We definitely have to vacuum. We are about to tackle the next area. This one right here, which is a disaster. Finally finished cleaning up this room. All we really have to do is put on the bedding, which I don't think is going to be ready for another couple hours, because I still have to air out the pillows, air out the comforter, and right now we have some stuff in the dryer. So yeah, it's just getting way too late, and honestly I'm tired already. I didn't even get to work on Darren's room yet, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So you know what time it is. It is time for us to open our advent calendars, and we always start off first with our English Tea Shop Organic Advent Tea Calendar. We are on day number 9. Ooh, this is very It's very spicy. Does this even make sense? Leafy. Today's tea is called Christmas Cake. Really? Okay, I can sense that there's like a little bit, okay, apple, like a apple spice kind of scent. Organic black tea with orange, apple, peach, cinnamon, ginger, and vanilla. All right, let's pour our water into our teacup. Oh, I love it when it's steaming like that. Let's open a door from the Hello Kitty and Friends chocolate advent calendar, day number 9, right here. Oh my gosh, a chocolate just fell. What the heck? I'm just gonna slide this chocolate back in. Wow, okay. Let's open day number 9. All right, no, nothing. Okay, so let's get the chocolate that we just picked up off the floor. We have a cute little bear. So today we didn't even write out any Christmas cards. I know, remember yesterday I told you that we were gonna write out at least 10 to hit our goal. So we are now a day behind. I'm so tired already that my brain right now is not going to function, and I just don't want to send out a Christmas card just to send it out. I want to at least write something in it. So I'm just going to make time for it tomorrow. Try our tea, the Christmas cake. You really can smell that apple. It actually smells like a little bit like a Jolly Rancher. Ooh, that's hot. I think I just burned my lips. I can see how this is like a Christmassy blend. You can taste that ginger. You can also taste that apple. I mean, it's an okay blend. Not my favorite from this advent calendar, but I would drink it. So let's eat our chocolate. I wanted to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love it if you'd be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10.